Hello guys! Mabuhay! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. So if you happen to be new here, I'm Melanie, aka Content Pairs. If you want to be inspired and get motivated in life, consider joining my squad. All you have to do is click that red button and don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified if I have new upload videos like this. How are you all doing? It's summer here in Canada and I would like to share with you my beachy waves, or they call it the easiest loose waves. Yes, that's right, this picture. I would like to share it with you because a lot of people, a lot of followers are asking if how I did it, and I said super easy. And now let's jump into it. Let's get started. First, what I do is when I wash my hair, after drying it a bit, I'll spray it with dry shampoo so that it will last longer. The freshness of my hair, and it will be easier if you do a style with your hair. Yes. Yeah, that's enough. Smells so good, refreshing. That's the secret that I do on my hair before styling it. Divide your hair into two like this. Divide your hair into two. Then you can start. So this is what I use. I think it's 1 inch, half inch, or 3/4. But it would be better if you use 1/2 of this magic wand curling. So this is what I will use because I have really thick hair. Now it's hot. So this is what I do. I'll put this at the back and I'll start from here. So I'll get a tiny piece, and then all I have to do is just turn it like that. Super. You need it loose, right? So you need to let it fall. I think that's too much curly. You need to make it loose here at the end. Loosen up. There you go. That's what I use for the clamp. Just put it that way. So right. Okay. Turn. Ba. Hi. Then drop it. Siya na ang curl. Ayan. Ayan na. Iba-ibang curl ko. Okay lang yan. Kung iba-iba yung pagkaka-curl. Kasi loose curl naman ang hinahanap mo. Ouch! Ouch! Just turn. And then quickly drop it. Drop. Voila, bro. Voila. Super easy, di ba? Di ba? No need to go to the salon to have achieve this look, this hair look. You can do it yourself. I know you can. I trust you. Drop. So it would be up to you of how loose do you want your curls, how curl you want your hair. So it will be up to you. I think I'm doing 5 seconds. 5 seconds for this curl. 5-second curl. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Down. Juk. That's the 5-second curl. Ayan, I'm done. I'll turn it off. Make sure to turn it off and let it warm up before you hide it again. So I'll drop this. This is my, so comb it a little bit, loosen it by doing that, loosen it now, loosen it. Ayan. Yep. Just like that. Alright, so what I will do after, so that it will last for 3 days, if you want to last it longer, you can use Pantene Flexible Wave Gel. So I will be using this because I want it to last longer. This curl. Super easy, diba? Super easy, duper. Yeah. But I don't want to make it brassy or matigas. Yung parang ang tigas-tigas ng curl. I want it parang natural curls. I will put more products of the, just wait. Look at that waves. Look at those waves, girl. Look at those waves. Nice. Ayan. And then after using this, I wanted to make it a bit look natural, meaning I want it soft looking. So I'll put this Dove, the Freeze Proof Cream Serum. So it's gonna be a serum. There, I'll apply it on my hair. So that it will be soft. Did you guys like this kind of video? If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for good vibes. If you have any question or if you have any ideas of what content would you like to see on my channel, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time in this video or this one. Bye!